So if you enjoyed my outfit from the previous video, you might have been wondering, I wonder what Ayesha is actually wearing with that top and with that hair and with that big ass bow. Well, if that's the case, you are in the right place. This is the full fit. So here we are, my darlings. This is the full fit. As you can tell, I'm still quite excited due to my previous news. So forgive me if I'm a little bit giddy, a little bit giggly, but I'm still trying to get over the fact that I've got my own shoe line. Anyway, if you're just coming into this video and you're like, hold on, wait, what? Shoe line? What? Yeah, go back and check the last video after this, okay? Because yeah, your girl's got some big news. Anyway, I digress. So let's talk about the outfit. So on my head here, we have got one of my bling bows. For those of you who don't know, I like to make big ass bows because, you know, when life is rubbish, just stick a bow on it. Have a bowman. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I've doubled up today. Sometimes I'll wear two bows, and that's simply by attaching a hair clip to the smaller bow and inserting it into the front. All of the charms that I make for my bows, they are always done like by hand. I do all of them. So yeah, if you'd like one, just drop me a little message on Instagram, and yeah, I'll sort you out. Anyway, my hair is from Phoebe Collection. This is the Manic Panic Unicorn Dreams wig. It's absolutely stunning. It's literally like sherbet on your head. Like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is my new favorite wig. And I know that I have plenty of wigs here, but you know, it is my new favorite. I do wear this wig quite often. On my neck here, this is my beautiful paint splat necklace from Miss Sparkle Happy Mama on Instagram. She's fabulous. I absolutely love her to pieces. She makes adorable jewelry, and I bought this from her a few weeks ago. And yeah, I just had to rock it today because it just went with the kind of theme, you know, sprinkles, ice cream dripping. You know, the paint splodges to me resemble icing, so why not just slap it on, right? As for my jumper, funny story, this actually started out as being pretty much plain. The pusheen is embossed, but it wasn't coloured in. It was all that, the entire thing was yellow, so you just couldn't really see pusheen. I can't have that. Okay, so I actually filmed a video of me completely switching it up. I used my Arteza paints and I gave this the makeover of its life, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I love that all the sprinkles feel like sprinkles because I used their 3D paint. And it's exactly the same with my shoes. We'll get to my shoes in a moment. But yeah, I'm a very textural, is that a word? Person. I have a lot of texture issues. There are a lot of textures that I cannot stand, but there are also lots of textures that I absolutely love. And anything that feels like biscuits or anything that's kind of like crunchy, I absolutely love that sort of texture. So having these sprinkles feel this way, it kind of just, it makes me feel happy. You know, it's a good fidget thing. I am a big fidgeter. Anyway, on my legs, we have these leggings that I have wanted for so long, literally about 2 years. They are from Miss Lou to You, or MLTY Universe on Instagram. She is another one of my beloved friends. And yeah, I saw these, what, goodness me, this must have been about what, 2018, like Hyper Japan, I think it was, at a convention. I saw that she had these, and I wasn't able to get them at the time, and now I finally have them. Like, I literally got them like a few weeks ago. So shame on me for taking so long, but you know, better late than never. But don't they just go perfectly well with this outfit, right? I know there's a lot of sprinkle, okay? I'm fully aware that there's a lot going on, but you know, it was a special occasion, man, okay? All the sprinkle, all of it. Now, my boots. These boots are from Koi Footwear. They were originally pink, grey and blue on the panels. but I had to redesign them because they asked me to, and then they wanted me to make lots more so that you could wear them yourself. So yeah, more about that in my previous video, but your girl has got her own shoe line. And I'm very excited about it. But yeah, so basically, these have all been hand designed by me. I'm using 3D paint on these. These ones are from Tulip Color Crafts. Lots and lots and lots of resin. Made all of the charms by myself. There's gummy bears. There are chocolate bars on there. It's a lot, you know, because I'm a lot. These boots represent me. So yeah. As I said, more about that in my previous video. Please make sure you go ahead and check it out if you haven't done so already. Last but not least, we have got my cane. Say hello to Funshine, okay? Yes, as in the Care Bear, because she takes care of me, okay? And she's bright and yellow like the sunshine. I had to call her Funshine. I chose this one because, quite simply, it brings out the yellow in my jumper. Well, I say brings out, there's a lot of yellow going on in my jumper. What I mean to say is that it ties it in, it ties it together, you know? I do like to sort of highlight accents on other parts of my clothing too. Like for example, with my leggings, there are bits of yellow in here, not too much, but little bits. But when you look at it, you know, your eyes are automatically drawn to the yellow bits in my leggings because you've got so much yellow going on here. It's nice to have a little nod to it on the leggings, as there's also a nod to it on the shoes on the bottom, you see? So yeah, that's my my thought process for this outfit. My bow matches my rainbow hair really well. I have lots of different shades of bow. I have an actual like pastel rainbow one as well, but this one is more lilac pink and a very, very, very pale blue. And I wanted to kind of go with the more lilac-y pink one just because then it sort of pulled out the lilac and pinks in the leggings as well. So yeah, there's method to the madness, you know? But yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. So there you are, my darlings. I really hope that you enjoyed this full fit. I know that it was a lot of sprinkles, but you know, it was all for very good reason. If you didn't see my previous video, please go back and check it because it is humongous news that I had to share. If you did enjoy this one and you would love to see some more, and more importantly, if you're just loving the vibe, then make sure that you just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.